everyone, and welcome to your first Excel tutorial. If you've ever opened Excel and felt a little overwhelmed by all the grades and letters and numbers, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break it down step by step using a simple example you can follow along with. First, let's learn the parts. So this grid is called a worksheet. See the tab work 1 at the bottom? Here, you can have multiple sheets in one file. So you can add, so look, here's the sheet 2. You can add one here. So let's go back. Each box is called a cell. So cells are named by their column letter and row number. So this is where the column and row meets. So look at the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. This top is called columns. So the numbers 1, 2, 3 down the side are called rows. So this top left cell that says employee name, here, that's cell A1. So column A and row 1. So that's called cell A1. So this 9 under Brittany James. So what cell is this? What's the name of the cell? It is called B2, column B, row 2. So our data is in 3 columns. Column A for name, column B for years, and column C for salary. So now here, we'll calculate bonuses in column F. I've already put some formulas there or here to show you what we'll create. Now, you can type any text in every cell like this. So there's a text here, every cell. So okay, now, how to make a formula in Excel, how to use this, where this formula comes from. So now look at the column F. Next to Brittany James in F2, here, it shows 8,500. How did it get there? Excel calculated it using a formula. Let me show you. So I'll click on F2 and look up here. This is the formula bar here. Click F2. So the formula is if B2 is greater than 5, C2 times 10%, and C2 5% appears. So here's the formula. So remember, every formula starts with equal sign, equals. That tells Excel, get ready for a calculation. I have instruction for you. So that's the role of the equal, to tell the Excel, I have something for you to do. So this formula has 3 simple parts. Number 1 is the question. So Excel looks at Brittany's years in B2, here years of service, which is 9, and ask, is B2 greater than 5? Is 9 greater than 5? And the answer is yes. So if yes, since yes, Excel takes her salary from C2, here 85,000, and gives 10% of it. So 85,000 C2 times 10% equals 8,500. Here, so here's the answer. So if her years were 5 or less, Excel will give only 5% instead. So half of the 8,500. So our bonus rule here is over 5 years, it's equivalent 10% bonus. So if your years of service is 5 years or less, your bonus will be 5% only. So here, check out Stefan. He has 4 years. So the question is 4 greater than 5? The answer is no. So Excel uses the second option, C3 times 5%. So 79,000 times 5%. So his bonus is 3,950. And there it is in F3. So now let's do one ourselves. So here's the best part. You don't need to type this for everyone, like one by one. You need to type the formula. So you see the small square in the bottom. So click this one. Okay. See the small square in the bottom right corner of F11? Okay, that fills the fill handle to fill all cells below. So look, Excel copied the formula but automatically updated the cell numbers. And there you have it. You now understand the basic parts of Excel: worksheets, cells, rows, and columns. And more importantly, you know how to use a formula now, that it starts with sign equal. So to make decisions with the if function and do calculations for you. So look at the bottom here, bottom of the salary, column 2. So as you can see, I used equals sum, not if. It means I need to add, or you want to add everything up here. I want to add. And the next one is equals max. So it means I need to find the highest salary. It means maximum, the highest salary. So it's all about giving Excel the right instructions. So here, practice with this idea. Try changing a salary or years of service and watch the bonus updated automatically. So here, let's try. Yeah, that's the power of Excel. Now, I hope you understand something. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.